Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week I decided to film what's in my fridge, and let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's in my fridge. It's not that much, but yep. So here are the frozen food. And here is my ice cream that I've never touched, like a month or so. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. So that's frozen food. And some of the, like, fish and everything. So yep. This is not mine, so yep. Okay, let's close this and go to the bottom. So here are the eggs. This is mine. So yeah, here is some chilies, and you have strepsil, all the medicines, like all together. Have the cough medicine. It's I don't know what, because it's all my father's. And we have milk. Forgot to close, but yeah, cough medicine. Here are the cooking, like oyster sauce. Some 100+. Which is not mine as well. So here are the cold drink. My dad's is mine, I think. And we have some wine here, some Baileys, Kalwa. So yep. At the top here is my dad's section. He has like strepsil or his medicine back there, and then here's like herbal drink, I don't know, and his chocolate. And here is, I don't know what is this, probably like pineapple, I don't know, and pear. Here are my brown rice. Here are the other foods that back there is like some sauces. Here are the foods that prepared for my work, and here are some like beer, which I don't drink this because I don't like it. And some packet drinks, my mom's food, and here we have cucumber, we have oats at the back. So I don't know what's inside here. So we have a lot of chocolates right here, belongs to my mom probably. And here are my dad's chocolate and jackfruit and more chocolates, which I hate coconut chocolate, so I don't eat them. So I think that's all, and yeah, I hope you enjoy my little tour, and see you next week. Bye. Gonna put you right here, and see you next month. Bye. I hope that you guys enjoy this kind of video, because I have absolutely no idea what to film. And I've been thinking of talking about faith, fitness and everything, but I didn't know you guys are interested in this kind of thing or not. But well, let's see. God bless y'all. See you. Bye.